I'm very excited to create this very interesting tutorial. We are creating a very amazing promo video animation, and we can change any properties and color with one click easily using Essential Graphics. Let's get started. Create a new composition, 1920 by 1080 Full HD. Now go to Layer, New Solid Layer and create a background, hit Enter. Go to Effect, Generate and Gradient Ramp, choose any color you want. Start Color and End Color Lock, BG. Now go to Shape and select the Rectangle Shape tool. Now choose the color you like. Draw a shape like this. Now go to Properties, Rectangle, Rectangle Path, Edit Value, Width 1920 and Height 300. Now use the Line tool, set shape in the center of composition. Unlink the Scale property and set value. Hit the Enter button and rename the shape layer. Please note if anchor point is center, so all properties will work around the properties like this example. Now set anchor point center of left side. Hold Control to set automatic. Now go to the Transform properties and unlink width and height. Click on Stopwatch, add a keyframe. Now go to the 1.5 second and click this button now to first keyframe value down to 0. Select both keyframes and easy as... Now go to the Edit panel and duplicate the layer. Press U to show keyframes and hit the next keyframe button. Go to the second keyframe, right-click, and go to Transform and choose Flip Horizontal. Select the Move tool and drag the shape right side. Go to the rectangle path and down the height value 206. Change color any you want and blend mode set add. Press T for opacity and down it to 80. Again go to the shape layer and choose the rectangle, set the color to white, hold shift, and draw a perfect rectangle with hold shift. Set it to the horizontal center with a Line tool. Now set the anchor point in the center, hold Alt plus Ctrl and hit Home button. Press Enter to rename it. Size should be 500. S for scale and add a keyframe with stopwatch and move the time indicator by 1.5 seconds. And add another keyframe and set the first keyframe value to 0 and the last 100. Select both keyframes, right-click, Keyframe Assistant, and Easy Ease. Shortcut key, F9. Go to 4 seconds and select the last keyframe, Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste it. Same process as the first keyframe. Go to Edit and duplicate the layer. Press Enter and rename it Stroke Duplicate the layer. fill is none, and apply a stroke. Stroke size 20. Go to Add button and select Trim Paths. Go to Trim Paths down the end value, maybe 20. Go to Offset and set the stroke at the corner. Hold the Control button for speed control. Now duplicate rectangle 1 with shortcut key control D 4 times. Now set stroke with offset value to adjust other corners. Select Layer and press U to show keyframes. Select both keyframes and hit this graph button, right-click, and choose Edit Value Graph. Make sure the Move tool is selected and drag the handle above path, like this. Select the Type tool and write your text now. Double-click on it, select the second word and enter now. Go to the paragraph panel and set your text as you like. Move the anchor point in the center. Press S key and add a keyframe. Same process. Now import your media assets and drag them into the timeline. Set your content properties, scale, position, etc. Now S for scale. Add a keyframe and change the value first and last keyframe. Go to 4 seconds and copy and paste both keyframes. Now go to Graph Editor and press Page down on the keyboard. Choose Pen tool. Go forward 2 frames and add another keyframe. Holds Control and drags the handle, now both handle or moving. Control plus Z. So now hold the Alt plus Control button and separate it and drag the Now handle. I'm using the After Effects version 18. 4.0. Now go to the window menu and choose Essential Graphics. Drag your image, rename it. Go to the text and drag the source text into Essential Graphics panel. You can also drag the image transform properties like scale, position, and rotation to change the text color at any time. So select the text layer and go to Effect, Generate, and Apply Fill Color. Drag the fill color in the Essential Graphics panel. Now select all layers and type in the search bar color. Now drag all layers of color one by one, like this. Now duplicate the layer and set it forward. Now if we change the stroke color, it changes the one corner. We want to change all stroke colors with one click, so it is super easy. Ctrl+Z and go to Rectangle 3. Hold Alt and parent with Rectangle 4. Now other two rectangles parent with Rectangle 4. After all of this, create a new composition. Drag the animation comp in the new composition. Now duplicate the animation layer and go on forward. Drop the menu and go to Essential Graphics. Here we can change the image, text, color, and anything that we add to the Essential Graphics. Now drag your image on the image. It will change automatically. Now you can change all properties like scale, position, and rotation. If you like this tutorial, so please subscribe to our channel and choose all notifications for more new update tutorials. Press the like button. If you have any questions, so please comment us in the comment box.